Is 5 surveys worth using in 2025? Maximise your online survey earnings. What if I told you you could make over $1,000 a year from just one survey site alone? Well, that's where 5 surveys comes in. 18 months ago, I started to use a platform called 5 surveys. Since then, the platform has become a great daily earner for myself, but there is a few strategies you need to incorporate to make the most out of the platform. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our YouTube channel, our aim is to help the online money-making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. Over the past 12 months, 5 surveys has quickly become one of my top survey earners. By using 5 surveys, I've actually managed to make over $1,000 from their surveys without any referral income. The thing is, this was only achieved with the strategies I'm going to be discussing in this video, so you do not want to miss out. Before we get into it, don't forget to sign up for 5 surveys using my link in the description. Let's get started. What is 5 surveys? 5 surveys is a survey panel with one big difference. They pay £1 per survey regardless of the length, topic or time required. Once you complete 5 surveys, you will earn £5 or $5 depending on your region, which can be cashed out immediately. The thing is, you can see from the get-go that 5 surveys is trying to hook us up with some decent money, and not some sad little pennies that other apps throw at us. I'm looking at you, Atapole. Plus, 5 surveys is run by the same people behind Prime surveys, and if you don't know, I love Prime surveys, mainly for their weekly bonus. So yeah, they've got a great track record. And finally, the best of all, 5 surveys can be accessed globally. How to maximise your earnings. To make the most out of 5 surveys, you need to prioritise the shortest surveys first. After you complete all the short surveys, you would then pivot over to the surveys with the highest ratings. The thing is, these ratings are based on other users who have actually completed the survey, so you know if there's a high rating, a lot of people have completed that survey, meaning there's less chance of disqualification. The best time to complete surveys on 5 surveys is between 10 AM and 6 PM on weekdays, as there will be an influx of hundreds of surveys per hour going live on the platform. The thing is, if you went and did surveys right now on 5 surveys, you would probably be hit with frequent disqualifications, and that's because you don't actually have the optimal strategy. Luckily, I'm going to share that with you right now. To qualify for surveys on 5 surveys, you need to use the ideal persona strategy. I've actually got a full video on my channel which breaks that down, but I'm going to give you the quick TLDR version. You need to have 2 children, 1 teen and 1 child. You need to work in tech and be the head of your own household. Based on my personal experience of doing surveys, these are the top qualities survey providers are looking for. Following on from this strategy, you also need to incorporate another one. So, if you're ever presented with pre-qualification questions on 5 surveys, always make sure you choose the top option, as this will increase your chance of qualifying for that survey. Just make sure when you actually start that survey, you play into the pre-qualification questions which was highlighted on 5 surveys. For example, if they're looking for someone who's a fan of paid from surveys, you are that fan. With these 2 strategies I've highlighted, that should increase your earnings on 5 surveys by over 300%. But the thing is, we're not out of the woods yet. Challenge mode. After you complete 2 £1 surveys on 5 surveys, you will be put into challenge mode, and that's why you need to be ready ahead of time and prepared for what lies ahead. Once you're in challenge mode, you'll go from around 25 surveys to just a few, and the new ones will take longer and have a higher chance of disqualification, and that's why you need to incorporate the next strategy. The strategy I want to discuss is the multi-tab strategy, and sadly you do need a PC for this. Before you finish your second survey out of the 5 on 5 surveys, you need to go back to the platform and open up as many short surveys as possible in separate tabs and windows. So once you've actually opened up this massive batch of surveys, as long as you complete them without disqualifying, each will actually earn you that £1, even in challenge mode. That means you'll be getting paid the same rate for these easier surveys. This way you'll reach that £5 cash out goal even quicker and avoid wasting time on long, low value surveys which has a high chance of disqualification. It is a simple trick, but it's what separates casual earners from the serious ones. In a worst case scenario, if you do fail to do the multi-tab method, there is a workaround, so don't worry. Make sure you turn on half surveys on 5 surveys until you get to that £5 limit, and then turn it off. These half surveys only pay 50p per survey. That does mean you will need to complete 6 surveys from £2 to £6, but it's worth doing as these half surveys have a lower chance of disqualification. The thing is, the half surveys is a good failsafe in the off chance the multi-tab method does fail. By using these two methods, it should allow you to get out of challenge mode really quickly and keep you earning that sweet money. The thing is, if you do want to earn more money as well, I would suggest you signing up for Prime Surveys, which is the sister site to 5 surveys, for one main reason. So on Prime Surveys, if you complete one survey, regardless of the value, for 7 days in a row, on that 7th day you can log onto the platform and claim a free box there for the chance of winning up to $10. What I do is I actually do 1 survey a day on Prime Surveys, and then as soon as I finish that, I go straight back to 5 surveys to get that guaranteed £1 per survey. Other ways to earn. Like most other survey sites, 5 surveys does have a game section where you can earn money by playing games. You can spend hours grinding through a game only to find out that the offer didn't track and that you're not getting paid out for it. I have done these game offers in the past, but I'm not really that much of a fan anymore. The downsides. The only downside to 5 surveys is that there's no fancy bonus wheels or street rewards like what you would see on sites like Free Cash or Prime Surveys. But the thing is, who really cares? You're actually getting paid some decent money for surveys, and I love that. Not to mention, if you don't incorporate the multi-tab method or the ideal persona strategy, you will face a lot of disqualifications on 5 surveys. So yes, it is vital that you use those strategies to their fullest. How much can you realistically earn? With consistency, you can make upward of £10 a day on 5 surveys, even in the evening. And yes, I can vouch for it. The most money I've made in a day from 5 surveys was £44 last November, when I did an experiment to see how much money I could make by doing surveys as a 9-to-5 job. On 5 surveys, I always cash out once I hit £50 to PayPal. Here's some lovely payment proof. The truth. 5 surveys is easily in the top 3 survey sites for me. It's up there with swagbucks and Prolific. And trust me, I've tried basically every single survey site out there, and when I say it's the top 3, it is God tier. When people ask me what survey site they should do, I always recommend 5 surveys. It's that guaranteed £1. It's really worth its weight in gold. As mentioned, the link for 5 surveys is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.